Ah, EP Records eyasendlini intwana. Endlini Productions lo nguKwembo. Asivile from Port Alfred. This is my love story. Listen. Listen. I don't wanna lie, my heart is broken. I feel so much pain, I'm not joking. I used to hide my feelings, but now I'm open. Trust me, what I feel now is painful. You know it hurts when you love someone who don't give a fuck, someone who just break your heart into pieces. You know it hurts when you really love a person, suddenly the person change and stop giving you kisses. No, it's cool now, I got myself. It's painful to be used by someone else. It really hurts when you love and receive pain. God, can you take this pain? Right now my life is a game. Now my life is hard because I got no side. Now I'm ready to die, committed suicide. My heart is bleeding blood, I got to man up. I got to be strong enough and never give up. Love is supposed to make you happy, not to make you cry. Even though I smile, but not everything is fine. The pain I feel inside, now God is too much. Right now my heart is broken just because of love. My life is a joke, nowadays I smoke. Things are not the same, I'm struggling, I'm broke. I've been singing, now I'm thirsty, I need a glass of coke. Now I'm single, I don't have a girlfriend anymore. I don't need to date, I need to focus on my songs. My life is falling apart, I feel pain in my heart. She played me, want them turned and them niggas a trust. I need a chick who won't judge me about my past. Enough about love, enough about all those stuff. Now I'm about to talk about the way I live now. I'm just lonely, I don't have anyone. I hate to say this, but I'm falling down. I'm still young, but every weekend I'm drunk. I'm not proud of everything I've done. To my family, I apologize. I hope you can forgive me, I beg you guys. I disappointed my sisters, was smoking drugs with my niggas. My only hope is in Jesus, I always chill with drug dealers. Soon I will be a killer, I thought my life would be easier. I chose to be a criminal, I'm so dope and lyrical. I'm not fine spiritual, I've been working illegal. I decided to leave that, I decided to leave that. My family, I'm sorry I was wrong. My days of hating you guys, those days are gone. The reason why I smoked it was because I was stressed, but I quit now because my life became a mess. Now I'm back in this old rap, I don't care about the rest. Nigga check, I was hurt, but it doesn't mean I'm work. I'm the best, who's the best? Now my heart is feeling bad. My music is my therapy, you letter from the pain I feel. I'm healing and quitting, everything and swinging. Now I'm back in the game, again I will be singing. The reason why I smoked it was because I was stressed, but now I'm the yeah, I'm back in the game. Kwembo.